In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your spreadsheet into a comma delimited format in Salesforce. If you've been managing your data in Google Sheets and you're ready to transition it into Salesforce, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the simple steps needed to save your Google Sheets data as a CSV file, which is a format that Salesforce can easily ingest. To get started, make sure you've got your spreadsheet open in Google Sheets. This tutorial assumes you already have your data organized the way you want. Now, with your spreadsheet open, locate the File option in the top menu. Clicking File is your first step into turning your Google Sheet into a format that's Salesforce-friendly. Under the File menu, simply scroll down to the Download option. Once you hover over Download, you'll see a variety of formats you can choose from. For our purposes today, you're going to select comma-separated values, often simply referred to as CSV. This choice is crucial because CSV is one of the most universally accepted formats for data import and export, especially for systems like Salesforce. It strips down your spreadsheet to the essentials, just data separated by commas without any of the fancy formatting you might see in other file types like Excel or PDF. The value of choosing CSV lies in its simplicity and compatibility. By saving your file in this format, you're ensuring maximum accessibility and usability within Salesforce. It's essentially the common language for data transfer, especially when multiple platforms are in play, like moving data from Google Sheets into Salesforce. A CSV file isn't bogged down by styling or features that might look nice in a spreadsheet, but could cause compatibility issues when you import it into a database or CRM like Salesforce. Once you've selected CSV, your download should begin automatically. Depending on your browser settings, you might be prompted to choose where to save your file, or it might land right in your designated Downloads folder. From there, you can take this file and use Salesforce's import wizard to upload your data into your system. It's pretty straightforward from this point. Just follow the import process as guided by Salesforce, and your data should transition smoothly into your CRM. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully saved your Google Sheets data as a CSV, ready to be imported into Salesforce. This quick process opens up opportunities to manage your data more effectively within a robust CRM system, allowing for optimized workflows and more insightful analyses. If you have any questions about the steps or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your data management endeavors.